Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shameen and I do videos on all things nails related. And in today's video I will be doing my first unboxing. The package I have is from iGel Beauty. I bought some new polishes and I also bought some polishes to restock for my press-on nail business. So hopefully you'll get to see the swatches of the new polishes and I hope you enjoy this video. So upon opening the package, it is very nicely packed with bubble wrap on top and stuff like that, and then you can see all our products. So I'm going to open them on the other camera for you. So these are my swatch sticks. They're already prepped and we're going to get right into it. As I mentioned in the beginning, I bought some supplies to restock and also a few new gel polish colors. So I'll be swatching the new colors on camera so you can see how they look. Before we get to the colors, this is just a mini box of gems that I ordered. I have these already, so this was more or less just to top up on my supply. And this box comes with 120 pieces, so there are like 12 different types of gems and you get 10 in each. And now we have the iGel Beauty painting gel. I already have iGel's painting gel in black and white, so this time around I bought the gold painting gel and it was sealed off very nicely just like before. So when I opened it, I realized like immediately the gel is very thick, but I would suggest mixing it before you use it so you have a good consistency when you're doing your nail art. While I was filming this unboxing, I wasn't sure what this item was. Only when I opened it I realized it was the one bottle of base coat that I ordered, because I hardly ever use base coat for press-on nails, so I have a lot of it in stock right now. I use base coat mostly for like a blooming gel effect and also on my natural nails and when I put on gel extensions. So now for the swatches, the iGel Beauty polishes, they come with a regular polish and a gel polish. So for the video today, I'll be using the gel polish to do the swatches. So let's get to the swatches and I will check back in afterwards. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more nail related content and so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. And of course, if you know somebody who loves nails like myself, be sure to tell them about this channel. So this is the Galaxy Flake Gel Polish. It's called Dawn. It's basically iridescent flakes in the polish, and of course it will give you a different look depending on the base color you use and depending on the angle with which you look at the nails from. And finally, I bought one of these trending reflective glitter gel polishes, and this one is called Diamond Dust. And what I can tell you is that the camera light doesn't do it any justice. It's very sparkly and shiny, and hopefully I get to do a set with this in the future and be able to feature the sparkly glittery effect better. So these are the colors side by side. This is Cozy Cashmere, Emerald, then we have Edgy, a nice army green color, We Belong Together, Lavender Cupcake, a very pretty purple, then we have Secret Whispers, Piglet, something to add to your nude base collection. We also have Central Park, Old Terracotta, we have the Diamond Dust, Reflective Gel, you see that sparkle, and of course the Galaxy Flake Gel Polish. So I am now laying out the colors side by side, and of course these are how they look under the light while I was filming, and they may appear slightly different in color. Like for example, this is a photo where I used Cozy Cashmere as a base. So I was really glad to get my hands on these new colors, and I hope to use them in some new sets. Let me know in the comments down below which of those colors was your favorite. I also picked up some foils in one of my favorite prints, Leopard. So hopefully I get to do more full coverage foil transfers. I actually have a video with this before, so you could check it out, and I'll leave the link in the description down below. Finally, I bought these popular butterfly and flowers pattern, which I think is so cute, and there were 3 rolls in the box, so I can't wait to use these and make some sets. Of course, all the products I have unboxed today, I bought them all from iGel Beauty, so I will leave the website link down below so you can check it out. And this will bring us to the end of this video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more nail related content. Of course, these are the colors I had to restock: nudes, blues, pinks, white and black for my personal nail business. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.